It's a sad fact that social media platforms have made illegal drugs more accessible to youngsters than ever before. Before the easy access of social media, obtaining drugs required finding an in-person drug dealer in the seedy part of town. Now, drug dealers can easily advertise their products to teens and coordinate sales under the radar. Online drug trafficking on social media has become big business. With social media's large user bases, dealers seek to maximize profits. Teens can purchase nearly any drug they want from the comfort of their bedrooms and have them delivered within minutes. Many of these drugs are fake pills made of deadly fentanyl, a synthetic opiate drug, which has resulted in the sudden death of hundreds of children. A dose the size of a pinch of salt can kill individuals who lack tolerance, and a single pill may contain enough fentanyl to kill multiple people. The Drug Enforcement Administration issued a public safety alert warning about fentanyl known as the One Pill Can Kill campaign. Its purpose is to warn the public about the dangers of purchasing pills on social media because they may be fake and deadly. Technically, all social media platforms prohibit the sale of drugs. But teens are very online savvy and have learned sneaky ways to find a drug dealer on social media. The DEA has found evidence that drug activity is rampant on all of the major platforms. In a CBS News investigation, reporters created fake profiles across Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, claiming to be 18-year-old high school students. One claimed to be actively searching for drugs, and another used hashtags to indicate they were experiencing sadness, depression, and anxiety. The first investigator found a dealer within 48 hours. The reporter with the profile claiming depression and anxiety was fully entrenched in the drug culture on Instagram by the third day. In 2019, Instagram replaced Twitter as the most popular social media platform for drug trafficking, according to West Virginia University. Experienced social media users can buy drugs on Instagram with as few as 2 clicks. Instagram's algorithm makes it especially easy for drug buyers to find multiple dealers by simply liking a dealer's post. Snapchat is also a popular social media site for pursuing online drug purchases. NBC News confirmed that drug transactions on Snapchat led to deaths due to fentanyl poisoning in at least 19 states. While social media platforms attempt to block content that contains drug-related verbiage, experienced social media users and social media drug dealers know how to circumvent these filters using slang terms instead of drug names, such as pills or Xanaz. Another common method drug dealers use to bypass the filters is the use of emojis to advertise their drugs for sale. For example, using the emoji of a chocolate bar to depict Xanax or a green dragon to depict heroin. These symbols are designed to appear as innocent posts, while making it clear to a prospective buyer that drugs are for sale. Once the initial contact is made, the conversation continues privately, often through an encrypted messaging app such as Telegram or WhatsApp. Sadly, social media use itself has been known to become addictive, which can in turn lead to substance abuse addiction. Social media addiction and drug addiction create the same responses in the brain's reward center. A study by Michigan State University revealed that individuals who are susceptible to social media addiction may also be susceptible to drug addiction, making them a prime target by online drug dealers over the very medium in which they spend a sizable portion of their time. Parents of teens who are heavy users of social media should be on the lookout that their child may be using social media platforms to obtain drugs and may have a substance use disorder. There are several recognizable signs: changes in appetite, disrupted sleep, changes in friends, poor personal hygiene and grooming, reduced academic performance, loss of interest in activities previously enjoyed, and deteriorating relationships. It is important not to underestimate the hold that substance addiction can have on your child. An addicted child cannot just stop using drugs. They will require outpatient treatment at a minimum and may even need inpatient therapy as well. Social media was intended as a means to reach out to others. However, social media platforms are drawing children in without parental consent, then allowing drugs to be pushed on them. However, there are steps parents can take. If your teen was harmed by drugs obtained through social media, it's important to understand what legal options you may have. The experienced attorneys at the Social Media Victims Law Center can help you understand the legal landscape surrounding social media and drugs. Contact the Social Media Victims Law Center today to schedule a free consultation.